Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden decor and inspiring craft ideas. In today's video, we are sharing 12 artistic DIY garden chandeliers crafted using solar lights and repurposed glass bottles to illuminate your outdoor space. These eco-friendly lighting projects will effortlessly transform your backyard into an enchanting evening oasis without breaking the bank. If you love upcycled garden art, please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more magical outdoor projects. Transform colorful wine bottles into a breathtaking cascade that catches the warm afternoon sun. By hanging colorful glass bottles at varying lengths from an upcycled metal ring, you create a vibrant focal point. Standard solar cap lights fit snugly into the bottlenecks, glowing automatically as dusk settles. Suspended near a stone garden wall, this vibrant piece adds playful elegance to any cozy patio corner. Deep cobalt glass offers a soothing, mystical ambience, perfect for relaxing evening garden strolls. Arrange several deep blue bottles in a multi-tiered circular frame to achieve a grand chandelier silhouette. The bright white LED solar pucks inside illuminate the glass with a magical indigo luminescence. Hung from a tree branch near the home facade, it serves as a stunning jewel-toned centerpiece. Give your garden an inviting farmhouse charm using amber-tinted beer bottles and a repurposed wooden wagon wheel. Secure amber bottles along the circumference of the wooden wheel and thread warm solar copper fairy lights inside. The golden glow reflecting off the vintage glass produces an extraordinarily cozy and rustic atmosphere. Positioned against a weathered wooden fence, this rustic fixture effortlessly elevates nighttime outdoor gatherings. Green glass bottles can easily be upcycled into an elegant nature-inspired hanging luminary. Attach clean emerald bottles symmetrically around an antique wrought iron ring using durable copper wire. Solar light caps topped with small solar panels ensure continuous, eco-friendly lighting every single night. Suspended near a garden wall, the shimmering emerald glow blends seamlessly with lush surrounding foliage. For a soft, diffused lighting effect, apply frosting spray to clear glass bottles before assembly. Cluster 6 frosted glass bottles together around a central solar spotlight to cast a gentle, dreamy illumination. The frosted finish hides the internal wiring while spreading an even ethereal glow across your seating area. Hanging adjacent to the house facade, this minimalist chandelier creates a peaceful and welcoming entryway ambiance. Mason jars are a versatile glass favorite that bring undeniable charm to any outdoor DIY lighting project. Arrange repurposed glass mason jars in a descending spiral pattern using heavy-duty jute rope for texture. Insert solar-powered fairy light lid inserts into each jar to produce a magical starry night effect. Framed against a wooden garden wall, this whimsical spiral fixture adds vertical interest and cozy warm light. Combine green botanical bottles with hanging artificial ivy for an enchanted woodland garden aesthetic. Wrap ivy garland around a round metal chandelier base, while securing glass bottles between the greenery. Solar-powered micro-LEDs tucked inside each bottle bring the botanical display to life after dark. Displayed beside a partial brick home facade, this romantic chandelier blends organic nature with soft ambient lighting. Embrace modern industrial design by pairing dark iron piping with clear upcycled glass beverage bottles. Construct a geometric frame from plumbing pipes and hang glass bottles filled with solar string lights below. The sharp lines of the metal contrast beautifully with the warm, glowing glass droplets at night. Suspended in front of a sleek garden fence, this fixture offers a bold, contemporary statement piece. Clear glass bottles with faceted textures create a dazzling starburst pattern when lit from within. Mount the bottles radially outward from a central orb, utilizing solar-powered LED cork lights in each bottle. As night falls, the faceted glass refracts light in all directions, casting intricate shadow patterns nearby. Positioned above a patio set near a stone garden wall, it illuminates evening conversations with brilliance. Bring coastal Bohemian flair to your backyard by suspending glass bottles from a natural piece of driftwood. Tie sea glass-colored bottles across the log using macrame cord for an artistic, relaxed outdoor look. Top each bottle with a solar light cork to provide effortless solar charging throughout the sunny day. Hung alongside a wooden garden fence, this eco-chic art piece brings a laid-back, artistic vibe home. Add a touch of outdoor luxury by spray painting accents on upcycled wine bottles with metallic gold paint. Mount gold-scented bottles around a gold-painted hoop and insert high-efficiency solar light caps into the tops. When dusk arrives, the golden metallic reflections amplify the warm LED glow for an opulent look. Placed near the home facade, this sophisticated chandelier gives your patio the feeling of a high-end resort. Combine various shapes and shades of glass bottles across 3-tiered metal rings for maximum visual impact. The combination of clear, amber, and green glass creates an incredible depth of light and color layering. Integrated solar panels harvest energy by day to power the magnificent light display all night long. We hope these creative projects inspire your next outdoor decor build. So please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more garden art ideas, and we will see you next time.